Okay, all right. So, folks, I'm being scammed here. All right, this is Alexis. You all know Alexis here, okay? And this is apparently King Cuddy. I've heard a lot about your work. Sir, how are you? Mike.
I'm doing all right.
All right, okay. So, oh, nice shirt there we got. All right, so I'm getting scammed here by this one. And then he's going to be cutting my hair. And I trust you. I just don't trust her. So I'm a little scared. Here, but we're going to see what happens. You excited, Alexis? You excited, Alexis? Huh? It's happening.
Thank you, Lord.
Boom. Okay.
So we got this personalized pick right here, King Cuddy.
Oh gosh.
Well, none other than Mr. King Cuddy himself.
Appreciate that right there. Definitely gonna put this to use.
There we go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
You happy now, Alexis? Video?
Yeah.
How are you all, folks? I'm about to get my hair chopped up by King Cuddy here.
Yes, sir.
I'm excited. I'm scared. I don't know what's happening. My friend set me up for this, and I think I'm getting punked. So we're going to see what happens.
Let's see what we do.
We're going to see.
So we got here.
You know, I sleep on the back, so it's like a little flatter back there. You know, I try to pick it out, but it never evens out. You know?
I know just what to do with that.
We're going to see what happens with that one. I know Alexis is going to be here, so I just bought the camera without the tripod. I would have bought the whole shebang.
Yeah, I thought she was gonna be out here too.
Well, she said she's finishing up, because the girl that she's doing right now is a friend of mine. So when she finishes that up, she's gonna come out here. I'm sure of that.
I can landscape you.
You know what I'm saying? She's doing it wrong. I'm supposed to edit that. So that's all going to be good. And then the other thing is we're having it where they're going to be in different states. So each boss going to reach out to Philly. Look, man, you cannot sell combs without having the hair. You can't sell hair products without having hair.
You might got a point there.
That's all I'm saying. Like,
you can keep this.
yeah, but if I'm selling hair products too, you got questions about their hair.
So now if you look at
Why not? It means the shit working.
bring a shirt.
Right. Oh, okay.
And I need some more.
Oh, same picture.
You see it? We can't this. Right there.
How you got that?
What about you?
Trust.
That's not other than my when I don't want to You really needed this.
You shut the hell up.
You did. You was looking like Frederick that
Who cares? Do I look like that? Hey, King Curtin, I look like the picture in the back of my phone anymore, man?
No.
I don't get that no more, do I?
Not at all.
God damn. I made that first for the IGTV.
Something happened at some company, but I don't remember.
I was recording. You got some hair in your mouth?
No.
But I guess this one will do. It's because King Cuddy is cutting your hair.
Trust me,
Other
I
than
already
that, you
understood
look
what
like some
position you were in
shit.
with this, so you can't talk trash, and that's what makes it the best part about this whole thing.
I'm sorry, what was that?
You can't talk trash
Tied it on my chest, bro.
about the haircut.
You see?
I can say whatever I want, and I can't lose. You're in a tight position where you can't.
You're a loser.
But do I look good though?
No.
Yeah.
I don't know, but today seems kind of odd. No barking from the dog, no smoke. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't pig out.
I was just doing it on my mind though. I don't even use the fibers, you know. Do whatever, man. That's cold. Oh, I was going to put it exactly where you.
Okay, we got the wife coming with Boss Mick.
Can I get your number? You gonna let me get your number?
My man hit the bill card. You hit that road. So, do you like it or do you love it?
I'm gonna say I love it. I love it.
Hey.
What you think? He a little tired. He'll tell you later.
Boss is like, you're fired.
Let's do that. Let's do that. It's a little different.
Insubordination. Nobody tell you to cut your damn
Maybe
head.
the rest of the response.
And live action. Look at this. Yeah. All right, let's do this. Huh? No, you ready to look?
Yeah, man, I'm sitting. What's going on? What we doing? How we doing this? You gonna hold the mirror? Oh. Yes, sir.
We done messed up. We done messed up.
Fucked up now. Yeah, y'all done messed up. Y'all done messed up.